Hi, good evening. Welcome to Ms.STREET Math. So in this video I am going to explain about types of angles. I am going to start with the angle acute angle. For this I am taking two arms. This is the first arm and this second arm, and this point is known to be a vertex. The angle between two arms is known to be a acute angle. So it starts with a 0 degrees. It is less than 90 degrees and or greater than 0 degrees. So this line is greater than 0 degrees, and another angle, this is known to be a right angle. So for right angle we denote angle as square. I'll show you. For right angle we denote angle as a square, and this is also first arm and second arm. So this is also a vertex. For this part is acute angle. So it is for showing less than 90 degrees, I just drawn this line. So it is less than 90 degrees and greater than 0 degrees, and this is a right angle. Right angle is denoted, the angle which we will denote with a square. So this is about an acute angle and right angle. And next I'm going to tell about obtuse angle. For obtuse angle, again we are taking some two arms. So this gap between two arms is known to be a obtuse angle. So it is greater than 90 degrees. I already informed you a right angle. It is exactly 90 degrees. It will be exactly 90 degrees here. So here the right angle, which is here, so the obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. 180 degrees will be here. This part is known as 180 degrees. So it is straight angle. I am going to inform in with another example. I am just trying to tell you that it is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. They already mentioned greater than 90 and less than 180. So this angle is known to be a obtuse angle. And next, a straight angle. For straight angle, I am again taking this first arm. So this part will be a vertex. Before going to the straight angle, I am again telling that obtuse angle is this. So it is greater than obtuse angle, greater than 90 degrees and less than 270 degrees. So it will be, the straight angle will be here. So this is a vertex, and this angle is known to be a straight angle. So this is 180 degrees. The angle is 180 degrees. So it is greater than 90 degrees. Even obtuse angle is also greater than 90 degrees. And for obtuse angle it is less than 180 degrees, but in straight angle it is exactly at 180 degrees. So this is a straight angle. And for reflex angle, another concept, reflex angle. So again I am taking some two arms. So this is the first arm. For 180 degrees, for straight angle, we assumed like this. Before itself I told that this is a straight angle 180 degrees. For reflex angle, the arm, this is the second arm, right? We just want to get down the second angle. The angle which is like this, it is just came down, slightly down. So, and this angle is known to be reflex angle. So it is greater than 180 degrees. So this part is known to greater than, it is a straight angle, right? So the angle for reflex is greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. See, 360 degrees is a complete angle. The two arms will be combined here itself. This is the first, and second arm also will be here itself, and this is the vertex. Sorry. First arm and second arm, and this is the vertex. So, and this is the complete angle. This is 360 degrees and the angle is 360 degrees. This is a complete. So these are the angles, types of angles. I hope you guys get understood. I'm just revising all those angles with all examples. So I'm just taking two arms. First arm and second arm. The first arm will not move, but the second arm, for different types of angles, it just increases. So this angle is acute angle, which is less than 0 degrees and greater than 90 degrees, acute angle. For right angle, again taking two arms. So this part, the second arm is slightly increased in for right angle. So this is known 90 degrees. So there is exactly at 90 degrees. So there are no measurements for this, like it is greater than 0 degrees. Here the angle is greater than 0 degrees. Sorry, a small mistake. Less than 90 degrees for acute angle, and for right angle, so this is a right angle, it is exactly at 90 degrees. And I am going to take another arms. For obtuse angle, the second arm for 9, this line will slightly increases. So this angle is known to be a obtuse. So it is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. This is known as obtuse angle. And another reflex angle, straight angle. For straight angle, this is the first arm and this is a second arm and the vertex will be here. This is a straight angle. For straight angle, the angle will be 180 degrees. And for reflex angle, first arm and the 180 degrees for straight angle, the lines are in straight. For reflex angle, the second arm of straight angle will slightly increases like this, will slightly bend down, and this part between two arms is known to be obtuse, reflex angle. So these are the types of angles. I hope that you guys get understood. Let's meet in another video. Stay tuned. Bye.